Done with. That's what. When you look at ma'am only, I can teach you clearly, right? You have to look at ma'am. Ma'am பார்த்தா தானே சொல்லி தர முடியும். Come on, look at ma'am. You have written 1 to 10 numbers, and backward you have written. Look at me, ma. From 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that you have to read. Okay? Now read like that. Yeah, good, Pranita. Very good, Pranita. Well done. You have written in the slate. Very good. Point it out and read.
Number.
7.
7. 6.
Finished, huh?
2.
1. Very good. Everyone has finished, huh? From 1 to 10, and you have written the backward numbers, backward counting numbers. Yes? Parnas? Parnas, what comes after 3?
Parnas,
I'll write here.
What comes after 3?
3, 4, 5. This is after numbers. See, like this you will go. This is after numbers. Okay. And then when you come backward, this is before numbers. Okay. So 3 after number. What is after? After means this side. After means after 3. What do you have? 4. Yes. Now I am asking you what comes before 3. Before means this way you have to come from left to right. Okay, where is your left hand? From left, here is your left hand, right? From left to right. After number means from right to left. Yeah, good morning, Devkrish. Good morning, ma. Okay, so what is before 3?
Vanilla, ma'am, I'm not hearing you.
Sorry? Who is that? Devkrish, what, ma? Devkrish. Dev? 2, yes. Before number is, see here. We have to come backward. Back. So, before 3 is 2. Yes, this is single numbers. Even if you have 2-digit number also, you have to find it in the same way. Okay, children, today we are going to learn this only. Okay? So, as you finish, you let me know. We'll start the session. Yeah, good, Farnas. Children, who else finished? Darshika? Rohita, finished backward numbers?
No, ma'am.
Nova. I thought I finished by now. What happened to Rohita?
She wrote 50 numbers, ma'am.
Oh, did I tell you to write till 50?
5 before. 5 before.
5 before 4. 4 before 3. 3 before 2.
4 before 3. Right, fast ga.
Yeah, good. Devrakshita, good morning. Yeah. Very good, Naitik. Very good, Naitik. Now read out the backward numbers, Naitik. Naitik. 10. 10. 10 before. Very good, Rohita. 10 before.
10 before.
10 before.
9.
Good. 9 before.
9 before. 8.
8 before. 7 before. 6. 6.
5.
7 before 6, no?
5 before.
5 before. 4.
4. 1. 2. 1.
Okay, very good. 1 before? What is 1 before?
1 before.
0, nothing. So 0. Okay,
Vanilla,
children,
ma'am.
everyone. Yeah?
Interrupt you. Yeah, Devkrish mother, sir. Can you please tell me once again what to do? Devkrish has
That is-
joined now.
Okay. Devkrish, you have to write from 1 to 10 and you have to write it backwards from 10 to 1. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
What start?
We'll start the session, then you write, Madhav Krish. It's already time up, no? If you write now also, there'll be no time, okay? We'll start the session, then later you write and show it to me, okay? Yeah, very good, Rohita. Okay, children, hope everyone has finished. We'll start the session, children. Who is going to say Kids Anthem today? Who is going to say? Who is going to say, Ma? Satvika, will you say? Satvika, will you say Kids Anthem, Satvika?
Ma'am, Pranita.
Yes, Ma. Pranita, you want to say? Satvika, will you say? I don't know who is calling me. Please, children, tell me your name, Ma. Pranita, you want to say? Okay, Pranita. Okay, today Pranita will say. Because Satvika didn't answer anything. So, Pranita will say. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Why are you? What happened? Satvika. Satvika, I asked you several times, no, Satvika, you didn't answer anything. That's it. I asked you only first. Okay, you want to say Pranita? Shall we ask Satvika to say today? She's crying, no? Yes, Pranita? She's your friend, right? Today, let her say, okay? Yes? Yes, Pranita? Pranita, not able to hear anyone. Okay, Satvika, now say. All of you join your hands and close your eyes. Pranita will say tomorrow. Okay, ma? Ready, all of you? Wait, ma. Wait, ma. Wait. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Still many of you are writing. Stop writing. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Come on. Yeah. Now start, Satvika. Kids Anthem.
Kids Anthem. Help me. Help me. My potential inside. Help me. Beautify me. My potential inside. Today I place it on my life. I will achieve my potential inside.
Very good, Satvika, and thank you so much. Pranita also will say today. Come on, Pranita. You also say, I don't want you also to be sad. Come on, Pranita. Come on, one more time. Pranita will say. She also wants to say today. Come on.
Sorry.
One more time.
My potential inside. Didn't I that? Beautify my potential inside.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge with my mind. I tell you my potential inside.
Very good, Pranita. Very good, and thank you so much. Children, are you all ready for the attendance? Before the attendance, I want you to do one activity. I want all of you to jump, but while jumping, you have to say the months of the year. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, like that you have to say, and then you have to jump. You don't no need to count. Okay, shall we all do that? Yes, all of you stand up. Come on, ready, steady, go. Come on, start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and November, December. Very good, Dhanvin. Very good, children. Very good. Now, come on, all of you, drink water and come back. Come on, everyone.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Vishank wants to say Kids Anthem. Say, come.
Vishank.
Get up fast. Solo Korea, now 1 minute. Wow.
Vishank.
Get up. Say. Join your hands. Say.
What? Saying inside yourself, ah? Come on, Vishank.
Today,
I'm feeling very shy. See? Tomorrow will you say? Tomorrow definitely will you say? Already your talk time is pending. Today will you talk?
Tomorrow I'll say both. Tomorrow.
Again tomorrow, huh? Oh my God. Okay, Vishank. Tomorrow you say the Kids Anthem and you finish your talk time also. Okay? Yes? Good. Okay, children, now ready for your attendance. Yes, do you remember what is our attendance activity? Can anybody tell me what is our attendance activity? What is our attendance activity, children? Yesterday, what we did? Vishank, what we did yesterday for attendance? Yeah, you have to act like reptiles, okay? And then you have to tell me your attendance. Darshika also. Darshika, yesterday we did like reptiles. Reptiles are crocodile, snake, lizard, tortoise. Any one of these, okay? You have to do action like any one of these. And then you have to tell me your attendance. Okay, first is Devarakshita. Darshika, be ready, okay? So that I'm calling Devarakshita first. Devarakshita.
Say good morning, Shiva.
Action! No good morning, action.
Say
Reptile action.
what is it? Just look
What
at
is
me,
your
don't
reptile action?
you?
Snake or crocodile or lizard? Crocodile. Okay, tell me your attendance.
I'm Diki Devarachita. Look there.
I'm studying.
It is. She knows
Everything she knows. Yeah, I too know that. Everything she knows. Very adamant. Okay. Darshika. Very good. No, Darshika, do the action like any reptile, like a crocodile or like a snake or like a lizard. What is it? What is it? What is it, Madarshika?
Snake.
Snake. Okay, come on, tell me your attendance. Very good.
My name is Jessica. Studying. My name is
What, Darshika's mom, what you did to her?
She had a 4 days gap now, ma'am.
Yes, that's it. Something you taught her. That's what she's saying. My name is Darshika.
Studying.
I am studying in. Okay, I am studying in junior KG. Got angry, yeah? Something you learned that I can say. Okay, Dev Krish. Dev Krish. Hey, what is this? It seems like a frog. Is it a crocodile?
Okay, say your
Okay, tell me your attendance.
attendance.
Hmm.
Say your attendance. I'm Devkrish.
I'm Devkrish.
What happened? I'm studying in.
Yeah, they need some transition time, right? Give them the transition time. Leave them.
Okay.
Okay. My name is Dev Krish. Oh my God. If I ask you to do the action, children, I want to say your attendance. Huh?
My name is Devkrish. I'm studying junior KG.
My name is Devkrish. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay.
Very good, Dev Krish. Dhanvin. Children, today we'll add amphibian also. Amphibian frog also we'll add. What is it? Okay, come on, tell me your attendance. Good.
My name is Devkrish.
Very good, Dhanvin. Dikshan. 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 Oh, what? Okay, Farnas.
Tortoise, ma'am.
Do like a tortoise. How will you do? Let me see. Tortoise, how will you do? Slowly, Very clever, Okay, tell me your attendance. See? Very clever mama and very clever daughter. Okay, say. Tell me your attendance. My name is?
I am Farna Fatima. I am studying junior KG 4 volt.
Very good, Farnas. Hashni? Hashni?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Okay,
My name is Asri. I am studying junior KG.
That's all. I'm 4 years old now. Okay, Janavi?
Compass.
Janavi, where are you running, Janavi? Oh, doing like a reptile. Do like a reptile. Come on. Janavi. What reptile you are going to do? Yesterday you did like lizard, right? Come on.
Ma'am, she is in out of mood, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Why? What happened? You didn't give her color pencils, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. I know what is the reason for her mood. You have to give her. No. Why? Janvi's mom. Okay, give her. I'll ask her in the last. Okay. Next is Karthikeyan.
Yes, I'm next.
Teja. I'm a lizard man. Katti man na te pisu gaya.
Okay, Karthikeyan. Okay, ma. Very good, Karthikeyan. Next is Kavyani. Kavyani. What is it? What? Lizard, ah. Okay, now come on, tell me your attendance. Unmute and tell me you're in mute.
My name is Kaviya Ali. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Kavyani. Nightek.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Come on.
My name is Naitik. I'm
What?
studying
Crocodile
in
just in
junior
your mouth,
KG.
ah? Nightek. Where is your crocodile action? Nightek. See, you're cheating me, Nightek. What? Oh, crocodile mouth, ah? Who taught you this? Who taught you this? Who taught you this? Okay. Okay, tell me your attendance. Come on.
My name is Naitik. I'm studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Nightek. Okay, next is Nukshita.
Snake.
Snake. Okay. Come on, tell me your attendance.
My name is Nukshita. I'm studying junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good. Nitila. Nitila.
I'm a snake.
Huh?
I am a snake.
You're a snake. Very good, huh?
I'm studying.
Mm.
My name.
My name.
I'm studying junior KG.
Very good, Nitila. Pranita. 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 Say yes, ma'am, Pranita. Pranita is not there, huh? Pranita, I'm marking you. I'm not able to hear you.
I am snake. I am studying junior KG. I am snake.
Okay, Pranita. Rohita.
I am studying in junior KG.
Okay, very good. Very good, Pranita. Rohita.
మరి ఎల్లు లిజార్డ్ లో పాకు
Okay, Rohita. Come on, come on.
సరే అటెండెన్స్
Come on.
చెప్పు
Very good, Rohita. Ritvik.
Mama, I'm crocodile, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Tell me your attendance. Come on.
I am Ritvik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good. Very good, Ritvik. You're a kidsy girl. Are you a kidsy girl? Boy, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma. Satvika. Wow, Satvika. Teka, I found out. Okay, come on, tell me your attendance.
My name is Satvika. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Satvika. Satvika, you are doing everything well, but you are playing in between. Yes? Yes, Satvika's mom. Yeah, that you have to have control in that. Okay, but she's listening to everything. That I can see. Very good, Satvika. Siddharth. Siddharth. Siddharth is absent. Tarnika.
I am a tortoise.
You're a tortoise. Move like a tortoise. Slowly, but this tortoise is moving very fast. Okay, come on, tell me your attendance.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. Let me see what Tilakar is going to do. Tilakar. Tilakar. What is that? Crocodile will do like this, ah? You did like this only, no? Oh, like this. Okay, Very good, very good. Now tell me the utterance.
My name is Tilakar and I'm junior KG.
My name is Tilakara. Tilakar. Sir, look at me. Tilakar sir, look at me and say. Okay, next is Vishank.
I'm a snake.
Action.
சொல்லு அழகா சொல்லு ஸ்னேக்
Come on.
ஸ்னேக் மாதிரி பண்ணு
Start camera. Action. Come on.
பண்ணு
Only the sound is coming out.
ஸ்னேக் மாதிரி பண்ணு ஸ்னேக் மாதிரி
Is
பண்ணு
this snake? If you do like this, it is snake. Oh. Okay, very good. Tell me your attendance. Good, snake. Come on.
My name is KG.
My name is Vishank.
My name is Sushank.
Your name is Junior KG. Hereafter, I am going to call you as Junior KG. Vishank. Vivan. Where is your action? What reptile are you? Are you a robot? I asked you where is your action. My name is Junior KG. My name is Vivan. What is this? Do your action. See? Vivan's mom. Seriously, very difficult. Very difficult. No. Vidyut.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Crocodile, do the action of crocodile. How will you do the action of crocodile? What? Laughing like your mama is like crocodile? Like this, crocodile. They taught you, right? Your friends taught you, right? Crocodile. Swimming, crocodile? Okay, good. Tell me your attendance. Very good, Vidyut. Tell me your attendance.
I am
Very good, Vidyut. Zadi.
Steady. Ma'am, I'm tortoise.
Oh my God. Oh my God. What is this? Tortoise, Move like a tortoise. Move. Hey, tortoise will not move like this. This is like snake. Very good, Zaidi. So sweet. Come on, tell me your attendance. That's so pow. Come on, tell me. It will take lot of time, Zaidi. Not tortoise, please. Don't want tortoise, please. Come on, tell me your attendance. I have only half an hour left.
My name is
Jyoti. I am 4 years old. I am tortoise.
Very good, Zaidi. Lakshana. Okay, I'm marking you, Lakshana. Okay, children, thanks for your attendance activity. We'll move on to the concept what we learned. Children, I taught you about reptiles, right? Reptiles, what do you know about reptiles? Come on, what did ma'am teach you about reptiles? Yes, come on, tell me, how do they move? Reptiles, how do they move? They crawl on the ground, okay? They crawl on the land, okay? And then what are the reptiles? Come on, name it. Chameleon. Tortoise. Snake. Then which will go on the wall? Lizard. Then finish everything. Tortoise, okay? Everything we finished, okay? And then what is the speciality about a chameleon? Who is going to say that? What is the special thing about chameleon?
Changes the color.
Very good, Tarnika. It changes its color, okay? Today I am going to show you how it is changing its color, children. You are going to love this see. Okay? Wait for some time.
color change அது காமிக்க
Okay, see here. This is crocodile, okay? And then see here. What can you see here? What can you see here, children? See, it's opening its mouth like this. You showed the action, right? Yes, very good, children. See, the mouth, the action you did is correct, okay? And see the teeth, how sharp it is. And then what is this? What is this? Snake. Yes, snake also crawls on the land, okay? And then see, what is this? What is it? Nice. Chameleon. Yes, I said this only will change its color to whatever place it goes. If it is sitting in a branch or something, it changes its color. If it is a leaf, it will change its color. Okay. See here. See the specs, what color the man is giving to the chameleon. It is changing its color like that. Can you all see? Yes, it's visible for everyone. Yes, see, the man is changing the specs, right? Green color and purple color. The chameleon is changing its color. Likewise, in the forest also, wherever it goes to a branch or leaf, it will change its color like this only. Yes, at once it will change its color. Why is it changing its color? Can anybody tell me why it is changing its color? Why all the animals are not able to change? Yes?
Enemy.
Why they are changing their color first? Why they are changing their color? Yes, to escape from their enemies, okay? To escape from their enemies, they change their colors. Okay, then they will not find it, right? If you change into green color when you are in a green color leaf, then no one will find you. Yes or no? For that only it has the speciality of changing its color. That's why we call it as chameleon. Okay, children, do you all like this? You all like this? Yes or no? Okay, children, ma'am is going to come back. Okay, and then life cycle of a frog. Yes, shall we start? First is eggs. Farnaz, will you say? Okay, everyone mute yourself. First, everyone mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. Today I am going to ask. Okay, Farnaz is going to say. Okay, see. What is it, Farnaz? Life cycle of a frog. What is this? First stage. Egg. Second stage. Tadpole.
Second stage another.
Tadpole.
Tadpole.
Third stage.
Tadpole. Froglet.
Froglet. Very good. This one? Frog. Very good. Egg, tadpole, froglet, frog. Okay. And then butterfly rhyme. Who is going to sing today? Butterfly rhyme and spider rhyme. Only two rhymes we'll sing. Dev Krish. What rhymes you are going to sing, Dev Krish? Only two rhymes you are going to sing. We'll finish fast. Okay, children? Someone sing, Dev Krish.
Sing loudly.
Comes a butterfly. Listen.
Sattama.
First comes a butterfly. Listen.
The caterpillar spins.
First.
Caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis.
No, mommy, singing second line only.
Okay. First comes the I'll sing for you. Okay. Listen. Okay. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Okay? Yes, very good, children. Today we are going to learn about before numbers and after numbers. Yes? Before numbers and after numbers. I want you to take your slate and chalk piece. Those who don't have slate and chalk piece, you can use your rough notebook. Those who don't have slate, take your rough notebook. Ready? Now I'm going to write numbers from 6 to 10. Okay, see here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? How will you read these numbers, children? Can anybody read out the numbers? Who is going to read the numbers? Kavyani. Okay, Kavyani. 10. Like this you read right. What do you say that? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From this side. That is from this side. This side means it is your right. From right to left. From children, all of you mute yourself, ma. Everyone mute yourself. Kindly listen to what ma'am is teaching you. Okay? Very good, children. But you said correctly only. But ma'am will tell you clearly. Okay? From right. You are going from the right hand. Yes, this side means you have your right hand. From right to left you are going. So that is after numbers. Okay, that is after numbers. We'll be proceeding till 100, 200 and it will go on. Okay. And now I want any one of you to read from this way to this way. From your left hand. Where is your left hand? Here. From left to right. When you come from left to right. Yeah, Janavi. Come on, ma Janavi. From left to right. I want you to count from left. Sorry, read from left to right. Come on, Janavi.
10, 9, 8.
Wrong, Kavyani. Mute yourself. Janavi, come on. I can't hear you properly, Janavi.
1, 0, 10. 9,
9.
8, 7, 6.
Very good. So this is, you're coming backwards, ulta. You're coming back from left to right. So this is backward numbers. Okay. Okay, now I will give you a sum here. See, I'm giving you a box here. And I'm giving you in between one number 8. And here I'm giving you another box. Okay, now I want to find out what comes before 8 and what comes after 8. Okay, so after 8 means you will go this way and before 8 means you will come this way. By the box itself you can find out, children, if you keep the pointer finger in the number, yes, after number your finger will go like this. That means after 8 you have to see the number like this. Kindly please, children, pay attention. Look what ma'am is saying. Okay, then again you will not get the chance to learn this. Okay, come on. See, when you keep the number finger on this, after number your finger will go to your left, this box. The same way when you are identifying the number, when you keep the number finger in the number 8, your finger will go like this. So automatically what is the next number after 8? It is 9. Okay. See here, from 8 you are going after, it is 9. Okay. Now we are going to find out what is the before number. So from 8, which side your hand is going? Like this to this box. Yes or no? Your finger from 8, it is going this way. Likewise, from the number also you keep your finger in the number and you come back one number. So what number is this? What number is this? Say it is 7. So what you will write here? 7. The same number you will write. Okay? Okay, understood? One more sum I am going to give you. Now I am going to write from 2 to 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now on sum also I am going to give you box here, 5 here and another box here. Now what I have to find out? Now what I have to find out, children? I have to find out what comes after 6 and what comes before 6. Okay, so where is the number 5? You have to circle the number 5. Okay, now we are going to keep your pointer finger. Now the after number. You have to move your finger to the after number. What is it? Next number is 6. Okay, so here you are going to write number 6. Now again keep your finger in the number. Now we are going to go before the number. Yes, before. See, here means before box. You are coming this way, right? The same way your hand is going to move this way. Okay, now what is this number? This 4. Very good. So what you have to write here is 4. Okay? Okay, children. Understood? Understood, yes or no? Yes. Okay. One more sum. I want you to do the sum now. I want you to write from 6 to 10. Again from 6 to 10. And the sum is this. I am not going to write the number. I am just going to give you the sum. You have to do it and show it to me in your slate. Parents, please don't help them. If they have doubt also, let them ask me. Okay? So please don't help them. Just you see that whether they are able to do that sum. Okay? From 6 to 10 you are going to write, children, first. And now you find out what comes after 7 and what comes before 7. The movement of the finger is very important, children. But with this only you will find out which is after and which is before. Okay? Now do it and show it to me. From 6 to 10. Yeah, I also finished writing. Like this you have to write and then find out. Okay? Circle the number 7. And from 7 which is the after number and from 7 which is the before number. Let me see who is finishing it first. Children, try to do it on your own, then only you will get doubts. Okay, if you ask help from your parents, they will teach you. But another time, if somebody is giving you some sums, you will not be able to do. Okay, so do it on your own, come on. Rohita, simply you should not write like that, Rohita. Where is the full step? You didn't write from 6 to 10, you didn't circle, you didn't find out. Simply you wrote 6, 7, 8 like that. No, ma, it's wrong.
అలా కాదు మా బాక్స్ అనే కాదు కింద 6 to 10 కూడా వేయాలండి ఇక్కడ.
Yes, Janavi, come on, do it, Janavi.
Ma'am, Ritvik is not writing, ma'am.
Why, Ritvik? Why, ma? Come on, do it fast, Ritvik. Very good boy, no, you are. Come on. Ritvik is going to do very fast. Don't play with your slate like that. Yes, very good, Tarnika. That is the correct way. Very good. Satvik also good. Tanvin, good Tanvin.
Ma'am, ZD is not writing, ma'am.
ZD are not able to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see here, ZD. Circle the number. Very good, Nighting. Very good, Nighting. ZD, look here, ZD. First, you have to circle number 7. Circle the number 7 first. Circle number 7, ZD. Circle karo, ZD. Now, from 7, what is the after number? Look at ma'am. From 7, what is the after number? This one. Okay, see, from 7, this one number. So, which number is that? Can you see what number is that?
Finished, ma'am.
8, right. So, what will you write in this box? What will you write, ZD? 8. Come on, write. Write 8.
Finished, ma'am.
No, not there. Next box. After box. Here. 7 after 8. 7 after 8. That box. Next box. Very good, Pranita. Good.
Finish.
Oh, finish. Nukshita, wow. Good, Nukshita.
Ma'am, please.
Devkrish, very good, Devkrish. Correct. What you have done is right. And then, see here, ZD. From 7, before number 1 number before. What is this number? What is this number, ZD? See here. What is this number? What is this number, Zeddy? Come on, tell me. Unmute and tell me.
7.
What is the number?
See, 7 is here. One number before. What is this number?
7.
This is a number.
What number is this?
What number is this?
What number is this, ma? 6, okay? So 7 before 6. So what will you write here? 6. Now here after 7 you have 8. So you will write 8. Okay? This is the way you are going to find out. Tomorrow we'll be doing 2-digit number worksheets, children. So before itself I am teaching you with single numbers. Okay? Yeah, good. Finish, children, everyone. Janvi, where is yours? Ruchita finished. Kavyani finished. Why, Janavi?
And then she's blabbering some other numbers, ma'am.
Why, ma? If mama is complaining, you are getting angry. What to do, Janavi? Come on, come and do the sum, Janavi. It's very important, right? Come on.
We did not come fast.
Okay, come. Those who finish, you can take your worksheet. It is D70 MT. It is D70 MT. This is going to be your worksheet. Write today's date. Today's date is 2/1/21. Here, children, you have to match the opposites. Ma'am taught you the roly-poly rhyme, right? In that, we learnt many opposites. Yes or no? Roly-poly, big, big, big. Roly-poly, small, small, small. So, here we have a small tree and a big tree. Yes? Now, you have to match the small tree and the big tree. Come on, match it. Write the date, children. And then next you have a jar here and you have another jar in the other side. Okay, here what is the difference here? Can anybody tell me?
Outside.
Very good, Tarnika. Only Tarnika is answering first. Others, children, come on, answer, children. Nukshita, Devarakshita, Devkrish, Naite, come on, answer. What do you see here? You see a jar, right? We played the position game, right? Yes or no? See here, you can see the snail also. Where is the snail? Snail is outside the jar. But here, the snail is inside the jar. So, what is the opposite here? In, out. Okay? So, this you have to match. You have to identify and match, children. Don't match like tree to tree, jar to jar, slide to slide. Don't match like that. First, you have to identify what opposite is that. Big or small, in and out, up and down, like that. You have to identify. And then only you have to match. And next is the slide one. Devkrish, can you tell me what is here? What opposite is here?
What boy is doing? Playing, okay.
He is playing, okay. What is happening here? See one boy where he is and see the other boy where he is. Huh?
Sit and stand.
Sit, stand. Okay, that is also correct. Another one also you can say. Very good, Nukshita. That is also creative. Yes?
He said up and down, ma'am.
Very good, Devkrish. Okay. Up and down. Like this also you can take, like Nukshita said, sit and stand. The boy is sitting in the slide and here the boy is standing near the slide. Very good, Nukshita. I appreciate you, Ma. But here the actual opposite is up and down. Here the boy is on top of the slide, that is up, and here he came down from the slide. Okay? Very good, Nukshita. I really appreciate you, ma. Finished matching? Another one worksheet is also there regarding the opposite. That is the next worksheet. The same number D70 empty. D70 empty. This is also the same number. Next to this worksheet itself you will have. That is, first one is tick the one that is tall in each set. First you have to consider only these two sets. So you have to tick the tallest pencil and the tallest animal here. So which is the tallest pencil here? First one or the second one? Which is the tallest one here? Who is going to say? Devarakshita. Come on, tell me, Devarakshita. Which is the tallest one here? This one or this one? First one or second one? Which is tallest?
First one.
First one. Very good. So, first one you are going to tick.
Which one is tallest? Which pencil is tallest? First pencil, second pencil? Huh? Second.
Second pencil is taller. See the height? First one is only tall, no? Second one is short, okay? So, first only is tall. Here, next is giraffe and rabbit.
Which one is tallest?
Children, those who already told the answer, please don't say it. Give chance for other children also. Let them say, okay? Which is tall here, giraffe or rabbit? Which is tall. What is the action you will show for tall children? Roly-poly, tall, tall, tall. If somebody is tall, how will you look? You look down or you look up? Yes, tall buildings and all we have. Pranita, please mute yourself, Pranita. We have tall buildings, right? How will you see all those buildings? You lift your head up and see like this. Yes? So this is tall. Tall means here. You go up like this. Tall. So what you are going to take it is giraffe. And here, tick the one that is short in each row. Which is short here? Which tree is short? Rohita, which tree is short here? This first one or the second one? Rohita will say the answer.
Ma'am, finish.
Which is the shortest tree, ma? Which is the short one here?
Short one and chupichuma.
Show the tree. Show the tree.
First one, ma'am.
First one. Very good. That's it. You have to answer by your mouth, ma. Don't show me. Come on. Okay, correct. Next, who is going to say? This is going to be Darshika. Darshika is going to say the answer. Darshika, who is short here? First one or second one? First one or second one?
Second one.
Very good, Darshika. Second one. So you are going to take the second one. That is the girl. Okay. Boy is tall and the girl is short. Okay. Yes. Yes, Darshika. Yesterday I left out some children for this reading practice, right? Those children, you finish it today. By the time, let others finish the worksheet. Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Darshika, come on. I want you to read the sentence, Darshika. AM is? AM. Very good, Darshika. I am. Next is? Next is? Keep your finger, ma. Point a finger in the screen and you read.
No, ma'am, I'm not able to see the screen.
You're not able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Why? Is everyone able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Ma'am, you pin my name. Another Vanilla P will be there, no? You pin and see whether you are able to see. Now you are able to see?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
இது படிக்கணும்
I. Yes, ma, Zedi. Good.
am.
I. Keep your finger and read out, ma. I am. What is am? Am. Next is.
What is this?
What is this? A means what is the sound of A? What is the sound of A? Ah. No, ma. What is the sound of A? Ah. Right. See here. I. Okay. Am is am. What is this? B-O-Y. Boy. Very good, Darshika. Next. Next we'll read. Okay. Now the same way you read out. I. Am. Am. Next. G-I. Look at the screen and say ma. R-L. What is it? G-I-R-L? Girl. Very good. Here. Again, I. Darshika. D-O-G is dog. Okay? Dog. D-O-G, dog. Next. Don't say this as kitten, okay? Next. I. T-A-T. Cat. Very good. Next. Am. Very good. Read. No, ma. I-S. What is I-S?
I-S? I-S என்ன சொல்லு? I-S? Is.
He is a. Sleepy. B-O-Y.
Boy.
Okay.
A boy.
This one. Now you say this one.
IT என்னது?
What is IT?
It.
It.
I-S
Is.
A-B-A. L. Ball. Very good.
This one. IT. It.
Yes.
Is. It is.
What is it? Car. Darshika's mom, I want you to copy down all these sentences and I want you to give a short practice for her. Okay? Okay. Thank you, Darshika. It was very good, Darshika. Thank you so much. Next is Farnaz.
No. Okay.
IT. It.
It.
It. And.
No.
IS. What is IS, ma?
IS. I oda sound enna?
E.
Okay. Is.
It.
Mm.
Car.
CAR. Car. Like that you have to spell and read. Okay. Next.
G-A-R.
Okay. Idu enadhu?
Next.
It.
சொல்லு.
Cup.
C. Spell out.
T சொல்லு.
T-U-P. Cup.
Very good. Next.
It. It.
A-N.
N.
A-N enadhu?
N.
A-N-T.
A-N-T.
Ant.
Very good, Farnaz. This one.
This one. No.
No, ma. IT. E. It starts with the sound E. IT.
Ayoda sound enna?
E.
Okay. Then
It.
IT. It.
Ball.
idenna?
It is a ball.
A ball.
It is a ball. Okay. Next.
This one.
Yes.
No. இங்க SHE போட்டுருக்கு பாரு. தெரியல.
What is SHE? He or she? What will you say? He or she? What will you say, ma? For whom you will say she?
Papa.
For whom you will say he and for whom you will say she?
She யாருக்கு சொல்லணும்? She
For you, whom you will say she?
Baby, பாப்பாக்கு.
Okay. And for whom you will say he?
He யாருக்கு சொல்லுவ? He வந்து boy.
That's it. But here you see a girl, right? Then it is automatically you have to say it as she. Okay? She.
She.
It.
Girl.
A girl. Okay? A girl. Okay. Very good, Farnaz. Next. Karthikeyan, be ready, ma. Next.
இங்க யார் இருக்கா? Who is this boy? ஓகே சொல்லு நிறைய சொல்லு.
HE.
Is
it a boy.
Very good, Farnaz. Thank you so much, Farnaz. Okay. Next is Karthikeyan. Yes. What? Come on, read out the sentence, ma. No, ma. Karthikeyan, come closer and say, I'm not able to hear you properly. Come closer. HE. He. IS. Next is A. A sounds A. Okay. Next one. B. Very good. And here. I. A.
Batman.
What? Bata or bata?
Batman, he's saying Batman.
Batman, I've written Batman here. Only bat is here, okay? Okay, next. Come on, very good. Come on. Very good, Karthikeyan. Very good, and thank you so much, Karthikeyan. Okay, we'll have the practice, continue the practice tomorrow. Children, I want you to know how many of you are going to participate. Can you please tell me? Yes, I'll share you some songs also in the group, okay? How many of you are going to participate? Come on, tell me. Hashni, okay, I'll note down the names, okay? 1 minute, Hashni.
Say loudly to ma'am.
Wait. I'll note down your name, okay? Devkrish, I want you also to participate, Devkrish, Darshika and all. Okay, Hashni, okay. Tarnika, va? Okay, Tarnika I wrote, Hashni I wrote, Devarakshita I wrote. Danvin, okay. Ishan. Devkrish, very good, Devkrish. I'll share you some songs in the group, children, okay? Tarnika I wrote, Tarnika mute yourself.